Alright, here are some different ways to represent a pattern. We can model the pattern with tiles, so you can see the yellow tiles, or you can do it on grid paper. Probably you can't see the grid very well, but each figure is kind of equal to each other. If you count the tiles, the yellow tiles in figure 1, we got 3 tiles. Figure 2 has 5 tiles, and it's increasing by 2 each time. If you look at the grid paper on the right, figure 1 has 3, figure 2 has 5, and you'll see there's an increase of 2 each time. Alright, so those are 2 different ways that you can represent a pattern. And then there's another way, making a table. So if you make a table, you're basically kind of making an input-output table. That's what the figure number is. Those are your kind of your input numbers. Your output numbers are the number of tiles. And then we have an extra part of our chart or our table, and it's our ordered pairs. And basically you're just putting your figure number together with the number of tiles to create your ordered pairs, and then you can put them on a graph. So let's just take this first figure number and the number of tiles, and we get our ordered pair 1, 3. If you look down at the graph in the bottom right hand corner, you can see our first dot right here. I'm putting a big blue on it, and that is our ordered pairs of 1 and 3. And you put the dot right where you meet, the 2 grid lines meet. Okay? So if we look at figure 2, yeah, that's great. Look at the ordered pair that you get ordered pair of 2, 5. So that's where our second dot goes. 2 horizontal and 5 vertical, puts the dot right there. Figure number 3, the ordered pair is 3, 7. Alright, so 3, 7, the dot is right here. And figure 4, it's 4, 9. Alright, and you can see that there is a little bit of some red lettering there. You can see the number 1 and the number 2 in red on our grid. That's kind of representing how much it from each number it increases. So it goes over horizontally 1 and it goes up vertically 2 each time. And if you look at all of our dots, it does the same thing. So you go over 1, go up 2, go over 1, go up 2, go over 1, go up 2, go over 1, go up 2. And it's a repeating pattern. Right? So down here it says from the graph we see that each time the figure number increases by 1 and the number of tiles increases by 2. Okay? So that's kind of a visual way to represent our pattern or our figure numbers and number of tiles and how do they relate to each other. Okay?